Archilochus, Episode 6. This particular epigram of Archilochus is taken from Plutarch, and so I'm going to read the prose introduction and analyze and translate that, as well as the epigram itself. Pollen ha Archilochos uk epainetai lupumenos men epi to andri tes adelphes diephthermeno katathalason oino dekai paidia pros ten lupain majestai dia na umenos, aitian mentoi logon echusan ereken. U tetigar klai on I somai u tekaki on. Theso terpolas, kai thalias ephepon. And now he says, again, pollen, that's the adverb, Archilochus uk epainetai. Archilochus is not commended or praised, and this is third singular present passive. Archilochus is not commended or praised when he is grieving lupumenos. Notice lupumenos is a present middle participle, and because it's nominative, it clearly modifies Archilochos. Archilochos, again, is not commended as he grieves men, later this will be picked up by de, as he grieves over epi to andri, the husband of his sister, tes adelphes. So this would be Archilochus's brother-in-law. Notice that the preposition epi patterns with the dative case. The definite article here is very helpful to us in case we are unfamiliar with the third declension dative masculine singular ending, as he grieves over the husband of his sister. And this is a husband, diephtharmeno. This is a passive participle from the verb diaphtero. Diaphtero means to destroy or to corrupt. Here in the passive, of course, it means to be destroyed or to be lost, as he grieves over the husband of his sister who was lost, diaphtharmeno, who was lost at sea, katathalason. Now, the tense of this participle is perfect, and we can discern that in two ways. First of all, you have here what looks like an augment, this epsilon, but actually this is an augment in place of reduplication. Typically, the perfect tense is reduplicated, but when the stem has a vowel, this really is the vowel of the prefix dia, when the stem has a vowel, the reduplication takes the form of an augment, you might say. And that's an indication then of the perfect tense. The other indicator is that between the stem and the ending right here, there is no thematic vowel, which is also a dead giveaway of the perfect tense. So Archilochus is not commended as he grieves over his sister's husband who had been lost, katathalason, at sea. So on the one hand, men, he was grieving, but on the other hand, and he was thinking, dia no umenos, he was thinking or considering, from the verb dia no eo, epsilon contract verb, he was thinking that the grief, prostein lupain makesthai, that he could ward off or fight off his sorrow, lupain. Notice how lupain is connected to lupumenos. He could ward off his sorrow in two ways, with wine, oino, and paidia, with pleasure, or with amusement, paidia, and these are datives of instrument. We'll cover the rest in the next episode.